He was on a mission to kill.
Statements like this made by the Stockton police chief.
He was out hunting.
Comments said by the San Joaquin County District Attorney.
We charged the cases today because we believe we have sufficient evidence to pursue these charges and prove them beyond a reasonable doubt. We are also confident that additional charges will be added.
These two press conferences on the day Wesley Brownlee was arrested in connection to Stockton's serial killings.
Calling the matter of People versus Wesley Brownlee.
And Wednesday when he was arraigned.
In that same press conference, Ms. Verber Salazar took the podium.
Were argued over in court today.
This is where the statements get particularly inflammatory, Your Honor.
Brownlee's legal team wants a gag order to be placed on law enforcement and officials until his trial has begun.
The some people Ms. Salazar is referencing is my client. She's not hiding that fact. And what's more is she's already presumed his guilt in these statements. And that is what is at stake here, Your Honor. My client's right to the presumption of innocence.
While his attorneys believe statements made to the media are hurting his right to a fair trial, the deputy district attorney does not agree and argued today against that potential gag order.
The order that the defense has created will chill the ability of law enforcement to continue investigating this case. And if you look at the order itself, it's overbroad, it's over-inclusive. It will not allow the police or investigators to continue investigating the case and speaking with other individuals.
He said states like Texas, Arizona, Illinois, and Florida have contacted the district attorney's office about similar cases, and they need to speak with them.
But what the prosecutor is saying is basically First Amendment rights really are significant, of course. This is a form of a prior restraint. You're not supposed to restrain speech unless there is a very compelling reason on the other side.
Michael Vitello, a distinguished professor of law at the McGeorge School of Law, said getting gag orders approved is rare. Although Brownlee's team believes continued international media coverage and law enforcement statements and investigation updates made public could make a fair jury impossible, Vitello and prosecutors disagree.
Typically what happens is you will find enough people eventually who can say, yes, I'll be fair and impartial, despite the fact I've heard media reports.
Tonight, the judge says she is looking at the arguments on both sides. She will announce her ruling on the gag order tomorrow morning at 8:30. In Stockton, Brittany Hope, KCRA 3 News.
And that legal expert that Brittany spoke to said he would expect the prosecution to file an appeal. That would take more time for this trial to actually begin. Another possibility, if a fair jury really can't be found in San Joaquin County, it would then be moved to another jurisdiction.